5 reasons why the Master Aesthetic Practitioner 7 course is the best in the industry. Number 1. Comprehensive curriculum. The MAP7 course covers levels 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7, providing a thorough education in aesthetic practice from foundational to advanced levels. 2. Practical experience. Extensive hands-on training ensures students gain real-world experience with the latest techniques and technologies. Number 3. Expert instructors. Learn from industry leaders and experienced Level 7 practitioners who offer valuable insights and mentorship. 4. Accreditation. Achieve a recognized Ofqual-regulated qualification, enhancing your credibility and career prospects. And 5. Career support. We provide ongoing support and resources to help you build a successful career in aesthetics, including business development and client acquisition strategies. It's time for you to start your journey in aesthetics the right way with A Training's MAP7.